Good day, student. I'm Teacher Ken. Welcome to What Madua online class.
In this video, we will learn about symbols of some common elements.
The room you're sitting in, you, the screen, your clothes, are all made up of trillions and trillions of atoms. There are 118 types of atoms that make up everything around us, and each type has a different name, like carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. For example, the point of this needle is made up of millions of atoms. If we choose an atom to look closer, we see that this needle is made up of the atom iron. That's one of the elements. A piece of pure iron is made up of trillions of iron atoms, all identical to each other. An element is made up of only one kind of atom. This is why we define elements as the purest form of matter that cannot be broken down easily into simpler substances. Let's have a look at some other elements. Every element has a name and a symbol to represent it. For example, let's take a look at one of these elements. This one is copper. Its symbol is Cu. You'll notice that the letters don't match the common name of this element. Let's take a closer look. The symbol for each element is taken from the first letter or two letters of the common name of the element or its Latin or Greek names. For example, what do you think the symbols for hydrogen and helium are? Correct! H from the first letter of hydrogen and HE from the first two letters of helium. Now, let's try some that are a little harder. What do you think are the symbols for sodium, silver and gold? It can't be SS. How will we know the difference between both S's? It could be SO or SI instead, but that is not the case. Sodium, silver, and gold have their symbols based on their Latin names. So, it's Na for sodium, taken from the Latin name natrium. Ag for silver, taken from its Latin name argentum. And Au for gold, taken from its Latin name aurum. Don't worry, you'll get there. Keep in mind that when writing symbols, the first letter is always capital, whereas the second letter is small. Of the 118 elements that exist have been found around us in nature. We call these naturally occurring elements. The remaining 26 elements are created by scientists in their laboratories. These are known as man-made elements. Time for an exercise! Can you guess the symbols for the following element names? Let's see how many you got right. C for carbon, N for nitrogen, O for oxygen, S for sulfur, P for phosphorus, Al for aluminium, Mg for magnesium, Ca for calcium, Cl for chlorine, Br for bromine, and Zn for zinc. Well done! That was easy. Now, Let's try some that are harder. Match the symbol to the name. Did you figure it out correctly? Time to summarize. Elements are the purest form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Elements are made up of one kind of atom. There are 118 known elements. 92 are found in nature and 26 are man-made. All elements have a name and a symbol to represent them. The symbol consists of one or two letters taken from the common or Latin name of the element.
Thank you for watching. Keep safe and see you soon.